At Carlisle, we know that families want more from their homes, especially when it comes to a small, compact block. That's why we've designed 8 new floor plans that maximises space, light and flexibility. And to ensure you're the best looking house on the street, we've got 6 new striking Hebel facades. Our new Hamilton floor plans make the most of every square metre, with 4 to 5 bedrooms, multiple living zones, clever storage and extra living spaces. You can have it all while still enjoying plenty of room for the backyard. Every room is designed to make the most of your block, with light-filled layouts suited to the home's orientation, flowing spaces for family life, and clever planning that ensures no space is wasted. Better floor plans, better inclusions. Every detail has been considered to create a home that works for modern family life. And big dreams don't need big blocks. You can still achieve a striking street presence without compromising on space.